Welcome to Technia TV. I am Jagrati Basera, faculty of BJMC from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on radio jockeying and news reading. So my topic is presentation techniques in radio. Radio program has been broadly categorized as spoken words and music programs. Spoken words can be divided into series programs such as news, current affairs, newsreels, reports, discussion, and interviews, which focus on the real life happening instead of fantasy words. Another group of spoken word program constitute culturally and socially oriented programs such as talks, drama, feature, story, telling, and running commentaries, etc. The restraint and obligation followed in the news-based program are not adhered to elegant in the them. These programs demand creative, imaginative, innovative presentation. In the same while music programs, vocal, instrumental, classical, light, and other programs which have their own characteristics and demands. The presenter has to handle the presentation of such program differently. Does the techniques of presentation differ as per its requirement of the program? Keeping in the views of these requirements, we can divide the presentation technique into two-way objective and subjective types. Objective techniques. This technique is well suited to the program of serious and sober nature like news, current affairs, newsreels, report, interviews, political analysis, and news and discussion, etc. A matter to fact, objective style of presentation is desirable for such program. The first president of America once articulated, "Let people know the fact. The country will be safe." A factual and objective presentation of news invests it with authenticity. Personal views, bias, and ideologies are kept out of the news, and different sources and views are presented to give a balanced, impartial view. Simple, straight, short sentence spoken with jest and dignity are required for object presentation. Fun, frills, personal projections, and familiarities are banned for the program. However, it does not imply dull presentation. Now the second one is subjective techniques. In earlier days, presenter used to maintain a distance from the listeners and keep a formal approach in their presentations. The presence of international media channels and liberal things has, however, brought a sea change in the demand and outlook of the listeners who have become active participants of the program. This has led to another approach in presentation which may be termed as subjective presentation techniques. It allows the presenter to reflect his or her involvement with the program as well as with the listeners. Programs such as talk, radio, report, storytelling, report, and discussion on social and cultural subject, eyewitness account, running commentaries, and music program of different categories can be presented in subjective presentation. The presenter tries to be friendly, relaxed, flexible in the use of language and expressions. However, an overbearing attitude, overacting needs to be avoided. The main objective to make the message reach across to the listener should not be lost sight of. Subjective presentation technique can be further be classified as personalized and aggressive techniques. Personalized presentation, one of the best example of presentation is phone-in program, where the involvement of the presenter with the listener is almost complete. The interaction between the listener and the presenter through the instant reply to the request, convey message of greeting, etc., bring them closer. Comparing of the special audience program replies to the listener's letter, presentation of ghazals, bhajan, geets, etc., if done with the personal touch, also constitutes personalized presentation. Aggressive presentations. Aggressive presentation is most suited to the commercial oriented sponsors program. These generally make use of frills, jokes, and humors. The presenter adds interesting news items and notes to make the program credible as well as interesting. Such program may also include advertisements and incentives by offering free gifts and prize to attract listeners. That's all for today. For watching more videos, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you and have a nice day.